Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian and I'm so happy to do this video for you. And this video is about getting back with your ex for good. How to get your ex back permanently. And we don't talk about this often enough because I don't want to coach you forever, right? My greatest joy is seeing a client succeed in getting their ex back and then never having to coach them again. Only checking in from time to time via email, finding out they got married or they have a child, and that makes me happier than anything else. Seeing clients come back a year later or 2 years later with the same person, and I have a file this big on them because they're going through a second or third breakup, breaks my heart. Because it's so hard. Going through a breakup recovery is so hard. You have to deal with all these fears, all these insecurities, and just because you didn't put in the work to maintain and nurture your relationship, you find yourself having to fight an uphill battle yet again, having to deal with the stress, the anxiety of losing this person that you love forever, of having to deal with a cold and bitter partner or spouse who no longer cares. And so I wanted to make this video to make sure that you don't forget what your true goal is. Your goal is not to get your ex back. Your goal is to be happy and fulfilled in your relationship. It is an ongoing goal that you will, in essence, never stop to fight for. That's right, my friends. The good fight never stops. And the people that are just obsessed with getting their ex back have it all wrong from start to finish. It's an obsessive, controlling type of love that is rooted in the ego and the fear of losing this person, right? But you can't control them. No human being belongs to you. You have to set them free, and you have to detach and continuously nurture the relationship in order for you to find fulfillment, for your partner to be fulfilled, and for the relationship to work long term. So the goal is not to get your ex back. That is the key to this video. Newsflash. That's just a stepping stone in a much bigger process, which is to find happiness in love and to continuously nurture it with the one you love. And once you approach the breakup recovery process in that way, there's a lot less pressure because you're not just focused on the end goal of getting them back. You're focused more on a process where you're investing in yourself to be equipped to continuously nurture that relationship, right? To learn values, virtues, and skills that you can apply in your relationship and in other elements of your life, instead of obsessing over the goal of trying to get some sort of reaction out of another human being that you can't control. You can just inspire them by inspiring yourself first and by putting in the work based on, again, the things that you can control. And I'm so excited to do this video because it's the key to our philosophy. It's the key to life. It's the key to relationships. Making sure that you're focused on the permanent goal of always being happy, always investing, and always nurturing your relationship. Don't ever put yourself in this situation again. It's too painful, right? It's too hard. It takes too much effort. But it doesn't have to be this way because you're going to get your ex back and then you're going to do things right the next time around in order to stay together, to get married and have children, and not make the same mistakes that other people have made along the way. As always, I hope that this video in particular will fuel your fire. Please like it if you enjoyed it, if you learned something. And as always, please share your thoughts and your comments in the comment section below. Keep fighting the good fight, my friends, and see you soon.